Happy day students! Welcome you back to the continuation video of Class 4 Computer Science Lesson 1 Input-Output Device. So, we learned what is computer system and what is IPO cycle and input devices. So, there are few input devices which we will see now, the remaining part of the input. So, now in the earlier video, we learned about the functions of the input device of a keyboard, mouse and a scanner. Now we are going to see about a light pen. Okay, the first one is here is the light pen. Now here, can you see on my first picture of the light pen which is given there? How does it look? It looks like a pen. But this pen you can't use to write it on your notebooks. This pen is specially designed to use for a touch screen. What is a touch screen? When we touch something and it works, like your mobile, it has got touch screen, and certain computer has also come on the touch screen base. Like when you touch the hand, it sees and it also work accordingly. And another example I can give, your ATM machine, that also has a say the sensation of touching it, recognize it. So especially this light pen is used only for the monitors, the flat CRT monitor is called the flat monitors, and mainly designed by the engineers and it is designed by the engineers and architects, and this is used only for the screen where the touch screen is there. Only this light pen is being used. Okay. The next one we are going to learn about trackball. What is a track? What do you mean by the track? Track is the one which says which track the train comes or which track it goes, the track in which we have to go. The same way, this is a trackball, which is similar to a mouse. So in mouse, you all know mouse means it's a hand of the computer. Yes, it's a hand of the computer which makes you to, helps you to move here and there, which has helped the computer to move, right? The same way, this is a trackball similar to a mouse, and it can be used in its place. Only thing, in certain trackball, it would be at the top of it, where you need to roll it up for going up, down for going down. Left side, you move the trackball, which will go on the left side, and right side for the right one. Okay. So, as you all know, mouse is also an input device which helps to give information to the computer. Yes, that's why the trackball was also being set there. The next one, digital camera. So previously you have the camera where you need to you need to click on the camera where the film will be there. You need to develop it, wash it, and have photos. Yeah, like how you have taken a printout where the photos will be displayed on the card. Now here, this digital camera, once you take the pictures, so what all the picture you have taken, that would be inputted, means transferred to the computer where it will be stored inside, giving the input to the computer, storing your backup there, we will view it. So the digital camera also come under inputting device. Next is the webcam. You all know what is the use of the webcam. So what does the webcam do? It gives you the picture of yours and input to the computer, and where you through the help of the webcam you can view yourself. Yes, by capturing pictures, images, live videos. Okay, and for telephonic conversation through your internet. That's a webcam. So the next part is microphone. So what is microphone? It is also an input device which is used to record your voice or a music or a sound into the computer. Okay. The next we come to the touchpad. Touchpad. What is a touchpad? Instead of using a mouse separately on your laptop or your computer, basically the touchpad is used in the computers, laptop computers, you can see. Now, can you see the screen where I showed you, capture that particular place where you can see the touchpad? Yeah. Now, you rather having a separate mouse and controlling it separately, you can also see a touchpad which is attached in your laptop where you can control the movement of the pointer on the screen by moving the finger up, down, left, right. Okay? Touch screen. You all know what is a touch screen. So in the light pen itself, you came to know what is the use of the touch screen. So what is it? It's a computer screen which is sensitive to touch, where we can select the objects directly by touching your fingers without using the pointer device. Next one, we come to output device. What are the different output device? Monitor, speaker, printer, projector, headset. Okay, let's see what are the functions of output device. So what is output device? It is a device used to display data onto the computer and the result is being shown. So once the process is done, the result will be displayed. Yes. So process will be done through the CPU. You will be learning in the next one. So why do we call this monitor, speaker and printer as an output? We will see them and we will know the meaning of it. So monitor, basically it is similar like a television where we can get on the monitor is called as a soft copy. So there are of two types, which is CRT monitors, LCD and LED monitors. CRT monitors is a big screen, where it will be very heavy and huge. The screen will be very huge and it also produces sharp images. Okay, but sharp images, and it will not now there are certain it will be little big. Okay, now when we see LCD computer and LED computer, it is a thin based monitor where both are the same. Only function is difference between them is it like LCD monitors have advantage of being much thinner, lighter and consuming electricity is very less. Speaker. So what do you use speaker for? You all know, to listen to music and also for the sound effect where you get from the computer outside. Yeah. Some nowadays the speakers are all inbuilt. The next one, we come to the printer. What is it, printer? So what all the information we have stored, we wanted to see in the paper, which gives out the information. That's called as your printer. There are three types of printer, which is dot matrix, inkjet and laser. Dot matrix printer, basically this will be used in, you can see most of the dot matrix printers in some of the shops. Okay, some shops you can see where it will be light dot matrix printers. It's like a typewriter. So it is like less expensive and it is also a little noisy, where in schools and office it will be used where it gets only the black color ink. Now inkjet and laser printer, where you can have a colorful one print out, but inkjet printer, it sprays a droplet of ink to the paper and which gives you a quality, produce a high quality of a printer, where the printer will have a nice quality. Laser, it almost used in publishing houses. It's very fast. It has got high quality output and it look like a photocopier. It exact how you see in your screen, the same effect it would be given. Now we have come to the last part, which is called a central processing unit, CPU. CPU, like how your brain of yourself is very important, which gives you the instructions. Same way, the computer brain is the CPU, where the computer is whatever the information it takes, it has been processed inside the CPU and it stores the information and also gives out the result of the calculations and sending result out to the output device. Okay. Now this CPU have three parts: ALU, CU, MU. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. You can see the meaning in the word. Arithmetic means what? Mathematical calculation. In maths, what do you do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Yeah, all the calculation is done in this part of the ALU. And control unit is very important to the computer. It's basically inside CPU, where it carries out the instruction, and also it controls the communication, and it coordinates between the input and output. Next one, memory unit or MU. So why do we need memory? To remember and store something. Yeah, the same way storing information temporarily or permanently inside the computer is very important. We always keep the what? Information stored on a permanent basis. Yes, hope you all must have understood what is this IPO cycle and how all it functions, and various devices of input, output, and the functions. Thank you, students, for listening, and you also have a great day.